Do you want to make frothy and foamy cocktails, but you don't want to use egg whites? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman. Welcome to Tiki Corner, and today's video, I'm going to talk about another product that I've used, a different brand, mind, but I've used in quite a lot of my videos on my channel. For me, I'll just preface this. This is a kind of egg white replacement product. For me, doing events, my whole business was around cocktail masterclass for hen parties. I get encountered with, or come in contact with, I should say, with so many vegans these days, or people that just generally don't want eggs in their cocktails. Now, we are fortunate in the bartending world that we've got a few products now that counteract this. This is the brand new one. This is what Drinkstuff sell, and it's actually made by ODK, some of the purees in the syrups that I love to shout about. So this is Stillabunt, and what this essentially is a miracle foamer. So let's just open it up. This little bottle will cost you roughly about £22–23, but it should be about the equivalent of 150 plus egg whites, and well worth the money. So let me just demonstrate how this works. I've just got my glass cocktail shaker there, and I've actually got a little bit of Ribena cordial. Okay, it's not Ribena, it's fake Tesco's Ribena. Now, this is what this product will do, and this is why I think it's worth it, because if we want to create frothy drinks like sours or anything like that, or if you want to put a lovely sort of foam on top, of flavoured foam, and I'm going to do a video about that as well to give you some inspiration, this is sort of the product we use. Now, this is just to prove how it works. This is just my sort of apple, I think it's apple and blackcurrant cordial, but we're just going to shake it up. Quick shake, and it's sort of frothy, but give it a couple of seconds and it will kind of revert back to normal. You know, there's nothing really in there. Now, this is where these products come into their own, because all you literally need, and these are pipette based, you literally need a couple of little drops like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go 5 for luck. 5 little drops like that. And then we're just going to shake this down, just pretending it's your egg white. Give it a good shake. And now, can you see what this has done? Look at that. That is just 5 simple drops, and that has created something, whether, as I say, whether you're rocking out sours, your cocktails, or whether you want to put an awesome foam on top of your drinks, that is the perfect ingredient that you should have. As I say, roughly about £22–23. Link below in the show notes of where you can get that from on the Drinkstuff website. But this is just Stillabunt Miracle Foamers, definitely worth adding to your cocktail collection.